Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I'm so excited to try out another one of the lip balms that I got in my recent Winky Lux PR box, and this is the Neapolitan lip balm, and I'm so excited because it looks so cute. I always love Winky Lux packaging. And this is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, gluten-free. It retails for $18. It has jojoba oil, so it's supposed to be moisturizing for the lips, which I cannot wait to hydrate my chapped lips right now. My lips are feeling so uncomfortable. I'm just dying to put this on my lips. It's supposed to have a sweet scent flavor to it and a sheer pink color. And since I did receive this in PR, I got this for free. I love to give a disclaimer when something's sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I am just so excited to try this out. Oh my gosh, look at how cute the packaging of the product itself is. Of course, I love the pink. Oh, and it's so cool looking. It's tri-colored, which reminds me a lot of the S'mores lip balm that I love from Winky Lux. It's also a tri-color like this, and it's like the perfect nude lip balm. I have a review video on the S'mores lip balm here on my YouTube channel that I'll have linked in the description down below if you want to see that review as well. Oh my gosh, when I take this out, I can smell that like vanilla sweet scent, which I am a sucker for a really lovely scented lip product, and this is definitely giving me that. Here you can see what the product looks like, the tri-colors. Before I apply it to my lips, I'm going to do a swatch on my hand to see that pink tint. It definitely doesn't show up like much at all. Like it's almost invisible, but it seems pretty moisturizing on my hand, and that's what I really need on my lips. So let's see how it looks. Oh, I feel like on my lips, they definitely look a little bit darker and a little bit more of a pink tint. So on my hand, you can kind of see it a little bit, but it's actually much more noticeable of a difference on my lips than I was expecting. And it looks beautiful. I think this is such a flattering shade. It's basically your lips, but amped up with a little extra pink hue, which of course I love. Makes it super easy to wear alone, with any makeup look, just that perfect throw on anytime lip enhancing shade. And it is so comfortable on the lips. A beautiful lip balm formula that adds a slight sheen to the lips, which I like, and super hydrating. My lips no longer look at all dry or chapped. They feel completely moisturized. It's a nice kind of thick balm, nice coating over my lips. So this really performed how I was hoping and how I was expecting. It's basically just like my favorite, or one of my favorite lip balms, that S'mores one, but the S'mores one gives more of a like nude lip shade. This one gives more of a pinky lip shade, which I just love a tinted lip balm because I feel like it's such an easy way to add a little bit more life into your face, just add such a natural enhancement, like the most minimal type of makeup, but it can make a really nice difference in how my whole face looks. So if I want that pink tint, which of course I always want that, this is a great product for me to reach for, especially since my lips are always dry and chapped, and this will completely get rid of that as well. So, I mean, $18 is definitely pricey, but you get such beautiful products from Winky Lux, but you know, they are not cheap. I can get this same effect from much more inexpensive products that give the same amount of like moisturizing, even a tint of color in a lip balm, but just price aside, I really, really like this, and I know I'll continue using it. So I would really like to hear in the comments down below if you've tried this product out. Of course, let me know your thoughts, but what are your favorite Winky Lux lip balms? They make so many incredible, unique, adorable lip balms, and it's so hard to rank them, but I would love to hear your thoughts on your favorites. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.